Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is December 21st. It's a bit of a mess in my room, but today we're going back home.
And we're in Mexico.
I have a whole month of winter break. It is snowing outside also. And the plan was to maybe shoot some content in the snow. Obviously, by the time I get home, I don't know if there's still going to be any snow out, but that's definitely what the plan is/was. I don't even know if I'm going to pick up the camera again, but I need to record one final time before this camera goes into my bag, and I don't see you guys for, I don't know, maybe another month. But it is Saturday, so I need to get a video out for you guys for tomorrow, and I'll talk to you guys soon, maybe when I'm home. All right, chat, so we're back home now. I have 25 miles of gas on my car, so we got to get gas first of all, and second of all, there's a park that's 2 minutes away that I'm hoping still has snow. If not, then this is going to be a whole different video. So this is the first location. It looks like there's snow, but I don't know. Actually, I might be lying to you guys. It kind of looks like there's snow on the actual parking lot, but this is dry, bro. You can show it. There's no snow at all. Yeah, there is nothing here except that sussy UPS truck. What is he doing over here? We're gonna do a 0 to 60 with this little gas. I'm gonna turn on everything the right way. We're gonna see how quick. I'm gonna say 60 when I hit 60.
There's a car.
60. I'm interested to see how long it took.
I hit my head.
I should have told you about that. That was my fault.
Chat, I'm back. Your favorite person is back. I'm back with another cameo. Spam it with likes so he can keep bringing me back.
Yeah, we'll
Chat.
wait. In the future, that video's gonna hit 50K, and then you're gonna have to get the M3.
Yeah, they already know.
The
Yeah.
question is, do you have M3 money?
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't know you had dough like that, bro.
If crypto goes up, yeah. If not, I'm
Are you
cooked.
saying that you didn't file taxes?
No comment, actually. Let's go back. I hit my head a little too hard. There.
All right, so premium over here is at 353. We're gonna get gas. We got 16 miles in our tank, and we're gonna see how much it's gonna cost us. In Jersey, they fill up your own gas, and it's at 359 because I'm paying with a credit card. We're at 44. Stopped at 49. We have a full tank that only cost us $50.
And we're in Mexico. Look at this. It's so nice out. Anyway, I'm gonna teach you guys how to launch your car in Mexico.
Hypothetically.
No. We're hypothetically, if you were to launch your car hypothetically in the USA, but we're in Mexico, we're gonna teach you how to do it. There's a couple of things I do gotta point out though. This is the 2011 IS350. It's the all-wheel drive version. So this is equivalent to having, like, the all-wheel drive system in the car is equivalent to having an extra passenger. So if you have the rear-wheel drive, you have one passenger, which would be yourself if you're driving the car alone. For me, it's like having another person in the car. And since my sister's here, she's gonna be recording, that means I have 3 people in this car. So just keep that in mind if I put any timestamps of how the launch is. It's skewed because I'm not alone, and the drivetrain also adds an extra person on here because of the weight. But the launch system is the same. What?
I don't remember it snowing in Mexico. We're cooked.
Again, this is Mexico. The first thing people always do when they're about to launch their car is they always go into sport mode and they try to use the paddle shifters. That's not going to help your case if you're trying to actually race someone or if you're just trying to get a good time. The thing to keep in mind when you use these cars is that the paddle shifters don't work. They're just more as a limiter is how they work. So you don't want to use those. They are fun to use, but they're not practical if you're trying to actually get some good time. The thing you want to keep in mind is don't drive on a full tank of gas. When I did the initial run, the one before, I had less than a quarter of a tank. Like, I had the gas light on. I have a full tank now, so obviously this is extra weight on the car. You want to have at least half a tank. Your car obviously wants to be warmed up. You do not want to do this with your engine cold. This is ideal right here. This You don't want it all the way back here, and you don't want it all the way on this side. What you don't want is it to be completely cold. The second thing you want to keep in mind is
Good thing we're in Mexico and it's not cold, right?
Yeah, exactly. The second thing you want to do is you don't want to have any of your AC or heat going on. You want to have all climate controls off. That I keep my seat warmers on just because it's really nice out here in Mexico, but it's the climate controls that are the iffy parts. You want to keep those off. You also want to turn off traction control. Some people keep it on, and I haven't actually necessarily tested this, but some people have gotten better results with it on. I personally have not experienced that, but do not just click the button, because when you click it, it will say traction control off on the actual display, but it won't do anything. If you hold the button while in park, it will automatically turn off. There you go. That's the light that you need to come up. But once you turn off traction control, your car is in drive, and then you also enable ECT power, which is over here on this side. All you got to do is enable it up, and when you enable it up, what should happen is this. It should say ECT power on. And what ECT power mode does, it just allows you to change gears at a higher RPM. Now, you could leave it in sport mode and then switch your gears up all the way to 6, which would be this. Putting it in sport and then going up all the way to 6. But again, from seeing forums and other people drive this car, you could just leave it in drive. This car does a really good job at shifting gears when it needs to. Other than that, my sister's gonna be holding the camera while we're in Cancun. And yeah, the one thing...
Look, if you look up here, it actually does look like we're in Mexico. And then it's snow. Oh, actually, we're actually in Mexico.
Now that we're here, you don't really got to do anything else. I launch my car at the RPM between 2,000 to 2,500. That's like the sweet spot for all-wheel drive. This car isn't tuned, so do keep that in mind also. And yeah, you know, it's what's the weather outside, or the temperature? The temperature outside is 28
in Mexico City.
You know what? We're about to take it out for a little drive. I'll give you guys a quick little launch to show you what that's like. And obviously, you know, where this is all safe, always safe.
Please pray for me. Last time my neck went this way.
The temperature off, ECT power mode on, traction control is off, and then you're going to launch it between 2,000 and 2,500 if you have the all-wheel drive system. $60. Bro, the anti-slip turns on because it's the all-wheel drive system. It's the funniest thing in the world. Just sit down good, lock your feet. You ready?
Lock my feet.
Sit down good. Ready?
How?
Okay,
if I sit down good, I can't record.
All right, ready?
Yeah,
bro,
I'm so sorry.
Yo, you suck at filming, bro. This girl's shaking the thing everywhere.
It's bumpy back here.
Bro, you don't know how to film?
Look at the footage, please.
Lord, bro.
That felt like a spaceship.
This girl don't know how to record anything. I take you out to Mexico, bro. We're spinning out a little on the... There's a little bit of snow over here. Just a little bit of snow.
Not again, please.
You do one more.
Oh, God.
Bro, lock in.
I can't. It's like impossible. How does Tariq from Mr. Beast do this? Tariq, please contact me.
You can get out.
Everyone's saying, wow, she must get paid so much doing this. Nope. I don't. Chat, I think you actually left me. Oh my God.
The car's so much lighter without you. I'm gonna do it again.
No! Please. The sun will come out tomorrow. Na, 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 na. Tomorrow.
What'd you say?
I said Mexico City's beautiful this time of the year. I think I got sunburned. Stop it. I definitely didn't say this joke the second time.
All right, and we're back in Jersey just like that. It was so easy, bro. We took that. How long was the flight?
Like 12 hours, bro.
But yeah, listen, we do that all just for you guys. We'll fly to Mexico in one day, bro. I don't even know if it's possible.
We do the impossible in this channel.
Anyway,
So do the impossible and subscribe.
anyway, that's the end of today's video. Listen, we're trying to get a 2K by the end of 2024. There's only like 2 weeks left. Honestly, no, there's less. There's what, like 9? There's 9 days left. There's a little over a week. There's 9 days left. So listen, probably less when you guys see this. It'll probably be what, 8 days? So definitely subscribe. Listen, turn on post notifications. If you didn't join now, then I can't be there for you, bro, when we're all at the top. I can't do that. So listen, join now, hit the like button, and let's all get there.
One more thing. Subscribe. Okay, end the video. End it. No Diddy, but I love taking care of kids.